Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the things that I bought recently from Myntra. You guys have been loving my haul videos. That really makes me happy. Now moving ahead, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the kurtis or maxi dresses that I recently shopped from Myntra. I know you guys are waiting for me to start with the video, but one last thing before we go ahead. Please make sure you are subscribed and also do follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is this. Now let's get started. Let's start with the first ethnic dress. This one, how pretty it is. This is by the brand called Gerua, and I found most of their ethnic dresses to be so pretty. I found this one particularly very appealing because of this beautiful turmeric color and this owl print all over it. I found it really ethnic. It is traditional on one hand, and on the other hand it's very modern because it is an ethnic dress. So you can go ahead and use it as a kurta as well if you're not comfortable to wear it as a dress, but it's a maxi dress. You'll be able to tell the length in the try on section. Coming to the quality of this kurta, I really like the material. It's very soft and comfortable. This was the main reason for the whole haul because I was just searching through Myntra and looking at ethnic dresses when I found this, and that kind of triggered me to add more things to the cart actually. So yeah, I love this product. Very comfortable. The material is very soft, and I thought the color and the print is perfect for the upcoming festive season, especially Durga Puja. And during daytime, if you are going for panel hopping, then you can definitely wear a piece like this, which is very comfortable even in hot summer days. It is actually cold shoulder. You have a cut here and the sleeve goes like this afterwards. So yeah, it is really pretty. It has got this Anarkali sort of style. The fit is really comfortable. Yeah guys, I absolutely love it. Can't wait to style it during Durga Puja. And another thing which is good about these dresses are you can also rock them in your daily days. I absolutely love this. By the way guys, the price and link of everything will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out in case you want to purchase any of the products here. Moving ahead with the next kurta, which is this one. I know the colors look really pretty. As you can tell, it's a traditional print here and the colors called out my name, and I absolutely love bright colors, as you must have guessed from all my colorful hauls. So yeah, I absolutely love this piece. This is by AKS. I really like the sleeves, and this kind of pleats at the sleeves are really pretty and kind of retro, and I also like the color combination. As I told you, I would say this is more of a kurta than a dress, but I found it in the dresses section. The material of it is also soft. The Gerua one was softer. One thing I would like to point here is that in the website the colors seemed a little more brighter, or I don't know, a little different than what it does in person. Colors are pretty, but in the website it looked a little different. So that's that, but I really like the color all in all. Very pretty when you wear it. The zip is at the sides, so that's that. You would be able to tell the length of the dress in the try-on section better. You can definitely rock it with a white pair of leggings so as to bring out the colors more. So yeah, I really like it. And another piece which you can wear on your daily basis or also during puja purpose or festivities because of its amazing color. Moving ahead with the next purchase, which is this pretty one. This is a maxi dress by AKS. I absolutely fell in love with the colors. Pink, I'm a pink lover. I need to tell it in every video of mine. I don't know, for some reason, but I love pink. I found this combination pretty appealing. The sleeves are not very flattering, but these are bell sleeves. It's very simple yet very nice on you, and it has got this A-line or Anarkali sort of style. The best thing about this kurta, which is very appealing, is the back is pretty deep, and there are two sets of beautiful latkans attached to it, which absolutely steals the show, as you can tell. I really found this kurti very pretty. Again, this kind of kurtas you can definitely wear on your college days, for casual outings, even in your festivities. So these kind of multi-purpose ethnic dresses are really nice. Again, if you consider the length, it's a maxi dress, so you won't have any problem. I don't think you need to wear any leggings leggings with it. If you ask me, you do need to wear some cycle shorts inside it because the material is a little transparent. So if you're conscious, you can go ahead and use a leggings or any kind of cycle shorts for that matter. Next is a pretty Anarkali kurta, which I absolutely love because of the color, and you would love it too. This one, how gorgeous is this color? This orange and the combination of mauve here pretty much is amazing, and it has got this net detailing going all over it, and underneath you have this layering of orange cloth which is a bit shiny, as you can tell here. So yeah, at the sleeves also you have this net, and at the end you have this design which is there at the chest as well. So the collar is kind of a mandarin collar. You have little buttons here which are also orange in color, and you have a tie detail and these amazing flowers at the end. Again, I absolutely like the simplicity of it. There is not too much work going on, which looks really good in this case. I really like it, really found it pretty. So if you're looking for something like this, then I would definitely recommend you guys to pick this one up. Definitely looking forward to wearing it. So yeah guys, those were all the kurtas and ethnic dresses that I got from Myntra. Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite piece and any other haul recommendations. I love you guys so much. I'll be back super soon with yet another interesting video. Bye.